This video provides instructions on how to install Trex Seal Ledger Tape. Trex Seal is an 11-inch wide butyl-based ledger flashing tape with an aluminum liner. It is used to flash the ledger board to the house. To start, use a chalk line to mark a 5 1/2-inch line above the ledger board and under the house siding. Unroll the Trex Seal Ledger Tape roll. Fold the tape roll in half and remove one of the release liners. Firmly press the tape against the house at the 5 1/2-inch line. Once the vertical surface is attached, remove the second release liner and press firmly to the ledger. Using a utility knife, cut along each joist side and fold the tabs down. Firmly press the cut tabs against the ledger. If installing with Trex Rain Escape, install the system and attach Trex Seal tape to the top of the Trex Rain Escape system, creating a watertight seal. Finish by overlapping the Trex Seal with the house wrap.